Hello friends, today I bought this beautiful painting tutorial for you all. Hope you all like it and also can try it. This complete painting is made by dots with acrylic paints. I have used here acrylic paints. It's an amazing technique which I really love to do. Hope you all love it too. After giving the base colors on total painting, I started to give dots with sequins. See, these dots should be equally distributed and should look equal too. We should take care about it. With different colors, using color tones, it starts to look beautiful. The total art technique is very interesting and unique. It needs patience and concentration both. See, on mountains we need to give equally distance and particular sequence we need to work out. Now here comes the flower Hibiscus. I tried to give a depth on Hibiscus with yellow dots. So the sequence should give the impact of the flower. Now here I tried to give the shine of the sun on leaves. Like this I completed the whole painting. See the looks of it. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.